Welcome back KG2. Okay, today we're going to be doing numbers from 11 to 20. Okay, let's see here. First, we're going to revise counting the numbers from 0 to 10. Do you remember? Let's count together. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And finally, we have number 10. Okay, I want you all to look here. Did you notice that all the numbers from 0 to 9, we write only one digit, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But when we came to 10, how did I write 10? I wrote it 1 and 0. So starting from number 10, we are going to write the numbers in two digits. Okay, 1 is a digit and 0 is another digit. So not to write number 10, we write 1 and 0. Here we used two digits to write number 10. Okay, so let's move to the numbers from 11 to 20. Here, what comes after 10? I can hear some of you counting. Yes, what comes after 10 is number 11. How can I write number 11? Okay, let's see. We write number 11, 1 and 1. Do you remember the 10? I told you, starting from number 10, we're going to use two digits. Number 10 was 1 and 0, and after 10 comes 11, which is 1 and 1. Okay? Then, what comes after 11? 12. Okay, how can I write 12? Who knows? Let's see. Number 12 also starts with 1, but this time 1 and 2. This time 1 and 2. So 10 was 1 and 0. To write 11, I took away the 0 and I wrote another 1 and 1. And to write 12, okay, I took off the 1 and I wrote 2. 1 and 2. What comes after 12? 13. Did you hear this? 13. This means I'm going to write what? 1 and 3. After 13, 14. How can I write 14? Yes, some of you are saying 1 and 4. Okay, and after 14, 15. This means it's going to be 1 and 5. Okay, so 11, 1 and 1. 12, 1 and 2. 13, 1 and 3. 14, 1 and 4. And 15, 1 and 5. Can you hear the numbers? The numbers I say, I write, and I have to start writing two-digit numbers. And for 11, 12, 13, and 14, 15, we start the number with 1. We start the number with 1. 1 and 1, 11. 1 and 2, 12. 1 and 3, 13. 1 and 4, 14. And 1 and 5, 15. Okay, can you see the frames here, my 10 frames here? These frames I'm gonna use to show my numbers. When I say 11, how can I show 11 on the 10 frames? Is it gonna be only one 10 frame? Let's know. Okay, remember that the 10 frame has only 10 boxes and I want to show 11. Okay, 11 is more than 10 by how much? Yes, excellent, by only 1. By 1. So let's call our bouncing dots to show number 11 on the 10 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, I want 11. 11 is more than 10 by 1, so I need one more. So here I have 10 frames. So this is 10, and I want one more. So I'm going to move to the next 10 frame and call one more bouncing dot. So 10 and 1 makes 11. 10 and 1 makes 11. Okay, let's try this again with number 12. How can I show number 12 on the frames? Am I gonna need only one 10 frame or two? Yes, excellent, two. Let's do it together and call the bouncing dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have 10. How many more do I need to get 12? Yes, two more. 10, 11, and 12. So 10 and 2 makes 12. 10 and 2 makes 12. Let's think about 13. How many do you think I'm gonna need? I'm gonna need what? 10 and 3. Excellent. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We said 10 and 3. 11, 12, and 13. So 10 and 3 makes 13. What about 14? How many more bouncing balls do I need more than 10? Yes, excellent. 4. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and finally 10. Now I have the 10 frames. How many more do I need? Yes, supers. 4. 11, 12, 13, and 14. Okay, so now to show 4 on the frames, I need 10 and 4. Let's go to the next number. What comes after 14? Yes, it's 15. It's what? 15. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. How can I show 15 on the frames? Think. How many? 10 and, excellent, 5. 10 and 5. Let's call the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. How many more did I need? Yes, I need 5. So 10 and 5 makes 15. Easy? It's much more easier now. Okay, after 15, what number comes? Let's count together. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and yes, I can hear some of you. 16. How can I write 16? 16 is going to be 1 and 6. Excellent. 1 and 6. What comes after 16? 17. 1 and 7. Okay, after 17, 18. 1 and 8. After 18, 19. 1 and 9. Excellent. And finally comes 20. When I say 20, I started saying in another way, right? I used to say teen, 17, 18, 19. Okay, and now it's going to be 20. 20 is different. How can I write 20? Means what? 2 and 0 makes 20. 2 and 0 makes 20. So we have to listen very careful. We have to listen very carefully to the numbers. Okay, anyone is telling us to write a number, we have to listen and then write. And when we read, we have to be very, 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 very careful. Okay, so that I will make no mistakes. Or even when I'm doing some complete or something, okay, I have to listen to what I say and write. When I say 16, so it's going to be 1 and 6. When I say 20, can I write 1? No, I have to write 2 and 0. So this is why I tell you have to listen very carefully, okay? Now, it's time to show these numbers on the frames. Okay, this is number 16. How many frames do you think I will need? Let's see. Let's try together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. These are the first 10 frames, right? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I need more? Yes, I need one more. And 16. See, the more I count, the more frames I'm gonna use. So we have to count and make the dots when we are doing the 10 frame. Okay? After 16, what comes 17? How many dots do you think I'm gonna need to do 17? I need 10 and 7. Excellent. 10 and 7. Let's try. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and finally 17. How many did I need? 10 and 7. 10 and 7. Okay, after 17 we have 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and finally 18. So how many did I need? I need 10 and 8. What about 19? Yes, it's gonna be 10 and 9. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Okay, we are nearly gonna use 2 10 frames here. We have 10 and 9. How many empty boxes do I have after number 19? Only one. When I go to number 20, how can I show it? Yes, we are gonna say 10 and 10 are gonna make 20. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So 10 and 10 makes 20. 10 and 10 makes 20. Okay now? Clear? Okay, let's move to something else. Here, we are gonna complete the numbers from 1 till 20. Look here, we have the box, we have some empty spaces that we have to complete. This is number 1. What comes after 1? Remember, count, 1, and we are counting what? Forward. We are counting forward. After 1 means forward. After 1, what? 2. Okay, what's after 2? 3. What comes after 3? 4. See, I'm counting forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. And right 4? No, it's there. After 4, 5. We are counting forward again. After 5, 6. After 6, 7. I already have it. After 7, 8. 9. Yes, excellent. 10. And starting from 10, we write 2 digits. We write 2 digits. What comes after 10? 11. How can I write 11? 1 and 1. After 11, count. Yes, sure. 12. After 12, 13. After 13, 14. See? 14, 1 and 4. 15, 1 and 5. And 16, 1 and 6. Okay, after 16, 17. After 17, 18, 19, and finally 20. How can I write 20? Remember? 2 and 0. Clear? Okay, I hope it is. Now, we have to practice. Remember before and after? We have a small exercise for before and after, but here we are going to be doing numbers from 1 till 20, okay? And there's no number line. So let's try to remember with me. I told you after in the last video means I'm gonna count forward, but before means I'm gonna count backward, right? Okay, here, look at the first one. What number do I have here? I have number 18. Okay, what about the spaces? Are they after or before? No, they are after. So I'm gonna count forward. After 18, 19. How can I write 19? 1 and 9. Okay, and what comes after 19? 20. How can I write it? Yes, excellent. 2 and 0 makes 20. This one is easy, right? Let's move to the next one. Here I have in the middle number 15, and I have a space before and a space after. So I'm going to start with the space that comes before. Okay, to get what's before, I said, remember, we have to count what? Backward. Okay, so before 15, count backward, 15, count backward comes 14. Excellent, 1 and 4. So this is for the what's before. What's after? What's after 15? Can I count backward? No, I have to count forward. After 15, I'm going to count forward. It's going to be number 16, right? 14, 15, 16. See what I did now? After I filled in the spaces, what did I do? I started counting from the beginning to make sure that what I did is right. 14, 15, 16, this is right. Okay? Okay, what about the next one? What do we have here? An empty space, and at the end I have number 9, right? Okay, so this means I want the before or after? Before. To get before, I'm gonna go backward. Excellent. Before, this means I'm gonna go backward. Okay, I have number 9. Count. Before 9, comes what? Before 9. See, my arrow is going backward. Before 9, 8. Excellent. See, and I started from the one that is just before 9. Okay, and then I'm gonna go backward again. Before 8. See, I'm going backward again. Before 8, what comes? 7. Is this right? Yes. 9, 8, 7. I'm doing it right, right? I'm counting backward, 9, 8, and 7. Now I'm double checking myself, okay? When I do this, I'm checking that I did it right. Okay, here. What's this number in the middle? I have 10, and I have after and before. Always start with the before number. This is number 10. What comes before 10? Yes, excellent. Count backward, 9. Okay, and what comes after? 9, 10, 11. How can I write 11? 1 and 1. Is it easier now? Okay, this is what 1 and 2 makes? Yes, 12. I have spaces after or before? No, it's after. I'm going to count forward. After 12, 13, 1 and 3, and after 13, 14, 1 and 4. Easy? Yes, it is. Okay. Now, look at the next one here. Also, it's just like the same one up here. I have the number at the end, and I have the spaces before. So I'm going to count backward. And like we said, when we count backward, we start writing the numbers that is just before. What's this number? 18. What is just before 18? Yes, 18, 17. So it's 1 and 7. And then I'm going to move to the one before. Before 17, count backward. It's going to be 16. And see, I'm doing it backward. 18, the one just before is 17, and the one just before is 16. Okay? Okay. Now, okay, just a second. Okay. Here. So when we count backward, like I told you, we'll go to the number that is just backward, and then we go to the second number. And after I finish, I can double check. 16, 17, 18. This is right. Okay? Okay. Also here we have 7. I need before or after? It's before, so I have to count backward. Before 7, 7, 6. Yes, I'm going backward. And before 6, it's going to be 5. Okay. Here we have 16 in the middle again. I have one before and one after. Before 16, it's going to be 15 because I'm counting backward. And after 16, it's going to be 17. To double check, 15, 16, and 17. This one is very easy. Here I have 8 and I have 2 spaces that are after. So this means I'm going to count forward. After 8, 9, and finally 10. It's getting easier now. Here also, what's this number? 1 and 3 makes 13. After 13, count forward because I want what's after. 14, 1 and 4, and after 14, it's going to be 15, 1 and 5. The next one here is just the same. I have 11 in the middle, okay. And I have a space before and a space after. To get what's before, we count backward, 11, so it's going to be 10. And to get what's after, we count forward, which is going to be 12. Double check, 10, 11, 12, I did it right. Okay, the last one here, look, what do I have at the end? I have number 2. Do I have any spaces that comes after? No, all of them comes before. Before means backward. Excellent. Before 2, count backward, comes 1. If I count backward again, comes 0. Double check, 0, 1, 2. This is right? Yes. So, to get what's before, we have to count backward. To get what's after, we count forward. Okay, KG2, I hope this was easy and try to practice it in your books, okay? Thank you, see you next time, bye!